Hey guys, welcome to Opt for Organic. Hope all of you are safe and sound. You must have heard about the term essential oils, but how much do you know about them? What are the essential oils? How are they produced? Why are they so expensive? What are the uses of essential oils? And most importantly, which essential oils should we have? Because there are so many essential oils available in the market. Don't worry, I'll be answering all these questions in this video, and also I will suggest you 5 most important essential oils everyone should possess and how you can use them in your daily routine, because they have surely helped me in my daily life to resolve many problems. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys, because it would really motivate me to make more and more such videos. Let's start with the first question, which is what are the essential oils? So the name itself suggests essential oils are basically the essence of any plant materials such as roots or barks or flowers, fruits or leaves or stems. Now let's talk about the second question, how essential oils are produced. Essential oils are derived from plant materials by distillation method via steam or water. I have already spoken to you guys about steam distillation in my video about hydrosols. If you want to know more about it in details, then you can refer to that video. The link is mentioned in the description. Certain essential oils which are derived from the skin of any fruits such as lemon essential oil or orange essential oils are derived through the cold press method. Third question is why essential oils are so expensive? Because it takes a great deal of work to produce a tiny amount of essential oils. That's why they are so expensive. For example, it takes around 60,000 roses to produce only 2 tablespoons, which is 30 ml of rose essential oil. Or I'll give you another example. It takes around 100 kgs of lavender pods to produce only 3 kg of lavender essential oil. You got the idea, right? Now let's talk about the fourth question. What are the uses of essential oils? Essential oils are highly concentrated and very powerful. That is why it is advised to dilute them with any carrier oil before application, and they are not meant for oral use except for a few which are advised by the doctor. The best use of essential oils is either by inhalation or by applying the diluted version on skin and hair. You can also add a few drops of essential oils as a natural fragrance in many DIY products such as cleaning agent or creams, body lotion, shampoo, conditioner, face packs, mouthwash, etc. And they are used as a natural bug repellent and antiseptics. The good part about essential oils is that they penetrate into the deepest layer of our skin, do their job and leave our body with a great efficiency without leaving any toxins behind. Essential oils are the main ingredients for aromatherapies, which calms down our nerve system and lifts our mood and reduces stress. As we all know, stress is the main culprit of all our day-to-day life problems such as premature aging or pimples or hair graying or hair fall or hormonal imbalance and many more. One mantra I always follow is that happy mind results in a happy skin. Now without wasting any more of your time, let's have a look at the 5 most important essential oils you must have. First one is lavender essential oil. Lavender oil is the most versatile essential oil. It has many uses, be it skincare, hair care, to lift your mood, reduce stress, to stimulate the blood flow and cell regeneration, etc. I have already made a video about how I use lavender essential oils. You can refer to that video, the link is mentioned in the description. But right now, let me show you few clips from that video. So Second is tea tree essential oil. Tea tree essential oil is the ultimate healer for our daily life issues related to hair and skin, such as dandruff or pimples or any other fungal infections. It is said to be 100 times more powerful antiseptic than any other antiseptics, and yet non-poisonous. If you see a pimple pop up all of a sudden in the morning, just take an earbud and dab it in tea tree essential oil and apply it directly on your pimple, and trust me, in few days it will just vanish. If it is very strong for your skin, then you can dilute it with a bit of coconut oil. Let me give you my personal experience with it. I used to suffer a lot from back acne and butt acne, and I consulted a dermatologist as well for that, and he gave me many creams and many expensive creams, but nothing worked. Then I googled few home remedies and tried them too, but no luck. In the end, I just took around 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and added 1 to 2 drops of tea tree essential oil into it and made a mixture, and I used to apply this mixture daily on my acne, and I used to massage it for some time, and in no time they vanished and I no longer suffer from back acne and butt acne. So it actually worked for me. If you are also suffering from acne related issues, then try this method, and if it is helping you, then please share your experience in the comment section so that it can help many other people as well. For dandruff, let me give you my personal remedy, which is 100% effective. Just take 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and mix 2 to 3 drops of tea tree essential oil into it and massage your scalp with this oil. Do hot oil treatment to make it more effective, and after 1 to 1.5 hours, wash your hair and you are done. Or if you are not in the mood to apply hair oil, just take 1 to 2 drops of tea tree essential oil and mix it with your regular shampoo and shampoo your hair with it. It is the quick fix for dandruff. If you are suffering from constant breakouts on your face, then you should try this face pack with 1 tablespoon of Fuller's Earth, also known as Multaki Mitti, 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is optional. If it suits your skin, then add it, otherwise it's okay. And 1 drop of tea tree essential oil. Just mix them well and apply it on your face, and once it dries out completely, wash your face. It is super effective, trust me. Apply this face pack once or twice a week and continue this treatment until your skin is completely cured from pimples. It is toxic if taken orally, so avoid oral use of tea tree essential oil. Third comes peppermint essential oil. Peppermint essential oil is widely used for its cooling effects, and it is very helpful in digestive and respiratory problems. Whenever I feel bloated or I suffer from a gassy stomach, I just add 1 drop of peppermint essential oil into 1 glass of lukewarm water and drink it. It is any day better than those sodas and digestive pills. Because of its anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties, it is very beneficial for burns and sunburns. You can add a few drops of peppermint essential oil in your daily creams or lotions or soap. It will give a cooling effect to your skin. It is an excellent blood stimulator. Just add a few drops in your shampoo or hair oil, and it will promote a healthy hair growth. You can also diffuse a few drops of peppermint essential oil, as it soothes the nerves and gives a calming effect. By using peppermint essential oil, you can also make your own bug repellent. Just add 7 to 8 drops of peppermint essential oil into 1 cup of water and fill it in a spray bottle and spray it in your room if you have mice or flies. Because of its minty flavor and smell, you can also prepare your own mouthwash by adding 10 to 15 drops of peppermint essential oil with either 1 cup of aloe vera gel or 1 cup of plain water and just use it as your regular mouthwash. You can also prepare your minty flavored mouth spray by adding 7 to 8 drops of peppermint essential oil with 1 cup of water, and add this mixture into a spritz bottle and carry it in your purse wherever you go out. Just spray it whenever needed and it will give an instant freshness. Fourth is eucalyptus essential oil. Eucalyptus essential oil is famous for its medicinal properties. That is why it is majorly used in the products to heal respiratory diseases. If you are suffering from bad cold or stuffy nose, then just diffuse a few drops of eucalyptus essential oil into your bedroom and it will miraculously heal your discomfort. Or you can add 8 to 10 drops of eucalyptus essential oil into hot boiling water and then cover your head with a blanket and do deep breathing for 10 to 15 minutes. Eucalyptus oil boosts the blood flow to the scalp and promotes healthy and rapid hair growth. Add 10 to 15 drops of eucalyptus essential oil with 1/4 cup of coconut oil and massage your scalp with this oil once a week. Because it is anti-inflammatory, it reduces the inflammation of the skin, it purifies and cleanses our skin and prevents bacterial or fungal infections. But remember to dilute this essential oil because it is very strong. It is full of antioxidants and it creates a barrier on our skin which protects our skin from the environmental pollutants. And it is a natural cleanser which removes the dead skin and the layer of dirt from the pores. And also it boosts the collagen production in our skin, so it is advised to add 3 to 4 drops of eucalyptus essential oil into your daily cleansers such as face wash or face packs. I always keep eucalyptus essential oil in my travel kit as a first aid. And the last one is lemon essential oil. Lemon essential oil is very refreshing and it is excellent to uplift your mood. So whenever you feel low or depressed, just diffuse a few drops of lemon essential oil and it will miraculously uplift your mood. This is my favorite essential oil of all. Dilute 10 to 12 drops of lemon essential oil into 1 cup of water and fill this mixture into a spray bottle. Carry the spray bottle in your purse wherever you go out, and when you feel dull or lifeless, just spray this over your face or body and it will give you an instant freshness. Lemon essential oil is widely used in many skincare products, or you can also add a few drops of lemon essential oil into your creams and lotions to feel fresh the whole day. Because of lemon's antiseptic properties, it is widely used in many DIY cleaning solutions such as disinfectants, surface disinfectants, refrigerator or microwave cleaners or cloth cleaners. There are many such essential oils with many advantages and unique fragrances, but I have summed up 5 essential oils which will cover all the problems related to our day-to-day life. If you are interested, I'll be sharing more videos on other essential oils. If you find this video helpful in any which ways, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the further update. See you guys in my next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.